on the board of the Young Parliamentarians in the IPU. I'm pleased of the celebration of the 30th anniversary of the rights of children. Organizations like the United Nations Children's Fund put national action to make children's rights a reality. In the CRC. Indeed, children continue. A particular concern is related to child migration. According to UNICEF, and some 23 million children were internally displaced. The provisions of the conventions on the rights of the child adopt. What are the remaining challenges and perspectives ahead? President of the IPU, and also we proudly present you Mrs. Afshan Khan in Central Asia.
Thank you very much. Allow me to rush in between events. Me conocer que desde que empezamos a organizar los 30 años de la Convención de los Derechos Humanos.
That's a perfect moment to inform. The declaration is planned to be adopted, but she is not going to drink a coffee. She's the floor to Mrs. Afshan Khan up in our work for our children, the future of mankind. Affairs, EASC in Geneva, also the executive from 2012 to